Hey guys, so this is the Oukitel RT6, which is expected to succeed the RT5. The tablet hasn't been announced by Oukitel yet, but it's coming very soon. So what I'm going to do in this video is share the top features of this tablet, some of the features that were reviewed actually, because many specs of this tablet are still not reviewed, but the ones that are out, I will share with you guys in this video. If you're new here and you're interested in the latest tech updates, then kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's explore the top features and specs of the Oukitel RT6. So the RT6 is a rugged tablet, which means it is going to be rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also going to be military standard H10H certified. What this means basically is this device is designed to be able to survive being submerged in water, dust, and of course could survive high pressure jets, drops, and so on. But that doesn't mean it's invisible. Rugged phones are durable than standard phones, but they break as well. The device is going to be backed by a huge 20,000 mAh battery, guys. 20,000 mAh on this rugged phone, which makes me believe this rugged phone is going to be very heavy. The device is going to run on the latest Android 13, and I believe it's going to be the stock version of Android. As for the memory, it seems the phone would have 8GB RAM, and it's also going to pack a 256GB internal storage that is expandable. The device is also going to feature a single 16MP rear camera, and also at the front is 16MP. I also expect this phone to support fast charging. So as for the display, it's going to be a 10.1-inch Full HD Plus display, and I believe the display might be protected by the Gorilla Glass 5, but I'm just speculating, guys. So these are the few details of the RT6 that are leaked. Once I get more details about this rugged phone, I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And of course, I'll be comparing this rugged phone with the Blackview Active 8 Pro, because that's also a new rugged tablet from Blackview. I'll be comparing the specs of the two rugged tablets to see which is best. If you'd like to share anything about this rugged phone, then feel free to use the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.